Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 16 by 20 canvas, and as you can see I've got my colors right here. This one is white. I finally got my DecoArt satin enamel, and the color is pure white. And then I mixed that half with the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And then this color here is also from DecoArt. It's Americana Decor Outdoor Living. And the color is called Fountain. And then this one here is also DecoArt. And the color of this one is called Garden Party. And the last color that I'm using today is also DecoArt. And that one is called Adirondacks. I do have some white in my bottle, and that is just Artist Loft Flow Acrylic if I need it. So I'm planning on doing a ring pour and maybe get some cloud effect. We will see. This is kind of the first time. I've slightly had it before. I think it was kind of just accidental that I may have gotten it before. But you never know. So I'm going to give it a try and see how I do today. So I'm going to start with some of the white in the bottom. And then I'll go with the blue, and I'm trying to pour it down the side. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium. I'm going to put more in there. Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and a little bit of water. So I know people have asked me in the past about my mix that I use, and I keep it mixed in a jug so it's all ready. I take 60% Liquitex, 30% floetrol, and then 10% water. And I just keep that all mixed and give it a good shake every once in a while, and it's ready to go when I am mixing up my paints. Alright, so move these out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and try to bend it a little bit. We'll see. I've got all that color on top. So we'll just start, see what happens. I don't see any of the white. I do like the way those colors are blending. It's really pretty. Okay. All that white is in the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and dump this white all around. Okay, now I'm going to start moving it. Go over it, see if there's any air bubbles. I don't really see any. There was one, two. That's about all I got. Okay guys, so I'm going to take you in for a close-up. This did not go exactly how I was hoping, but I still got some cool detail. Like that right there is really, really fine lacing. It almost looks web-like, frosted in a way, like frost on a window. Looks very cool. And these colors are just beautiful. You can see more of that right in there. And then the middle part is what I really, really love. It almost looks like, it's kind of like stained glass-like. It looks so pretty. I am really, really loving this. So even though it wasn't what I was trying to achieve, it's still pretty cool. I'm not going to call this a loss. I think it's pretty good. So stay tuned and see what it looks like dry. Okay guys, I will take you in for a close-up. It's all dry. I'm really kind of disappointed. Had quite a bit of cracking, you can see. I'm not quite sure why. You know, sometimes if it dries too fast, but that's not the case here with this. This is my first time using the different kind of paint. I've used DecoArt in the past, but I've not used Satin Enamel, and then the other was the Outdoor Living. So maybe those two, you know, had a reaction. I don't really know, but the rest of the, you know, the painting over here and, you know, like through there, all through there, you know, that looks pretty good. So not really sure. It's mainly with this Garden Party was the color. So not sure. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, if I'm just gonna pour over it or maybe try to fill in those cracks. So kind of disappointed, but I guess I'll head back to the drawing board. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.